Good morning everyone. Basa tayo ng kapalaran ni Raplayan Pag-vlogs. September 17, 2021. Basa. Sun conjunct Pluto. Mga Sagittarius, kapwa ko. Kopyahin natin yung payo. Investigate anything you want to know, because the new realization will be spectacular. Bargain hunting can prove wonderful, as you can come up with some wonderful buys. Your willpower is stronger than at other times, and any improvements and changes that you have been wanting to make in your life can be instituted successfully now. Long-time friends can become lovers under this transit. An intuitive and psychic time fills this transit full of wonderful insights. Outdated ideas and positions that are no longer needed can be discarded, and new attitudes about life can be adopted. You are extremely sensitive to your inner self, and close personal relations are harmonious. This transit favors research and forming new contracts, or working for large groups of people or the masses rather than singular endeavors. Inside compassion, detective work, and having the inside scoop on something accompany this transit. This is a great time to repair things that are little run down and need TLC. TLC, tender loving care. Talaga lang. September 18, 2021. Venus conjunct Venus. Relationship can start up here with the blink of an eye that will prove to be very satisfying. You may enjoy art, museums, and see the beauty in all things you may not have noticed before. You will be feeling very affectionate to everyone around you. If you have the urge, take the initiative and strike up a conversation with someone new. If you start a relationship during this transit, the results may startle you in a very favorable way. Business or any relations with people are very favorable during this transit. Okay, hanggang September 18 lang tayo. At mahaba-haba yung 19. Hanggang bukas na lang yan. So, ang binasa natin ngayon is September 17 and September 18. Bye everyone. God bless.